Hello everyone, Max here coming out with the next video. Here is our next package that we ordered like 20 days ago from CNFans. It's already here, so let's get this thing unboxed. And yeah, be sure to use the links down in the description to sign up to CNFans. You guys can find there a lot of nice offers, a lot of nice items for a really attractive price, so be sure to check out the description. This package weighs over 5 kilograms, close to 6 kilograms, and there's like 6 different pairs of shoes I think I ordered, something like that. So let's get this thing unboxed. The shipping was like $100 US, something around this range. The coupon codes on CNFans, you can get this thing even cheaper, so be sure to use the coupon codes that you'll find. And here it is, our package. I'm so excited to show you everything, so let's get this thing unboxed real quick. Let's take a look at, let's go through all the products. So first of all, in here we have the Stanley. Yes, I ordered this Stanley Cup to see what's the quality like, and you know, they are pretty nice looking, so that's why I ordered one. This is how it comes to you. It's wrapped in this foil, so it's all nice and protected. The Stanley Cup looks like this. Everything is just the way it should be. You have all the insights and descriptions of the product. As you can see, it can hold cold things up to 11 hours, ice for 2 days, and hot for 7 hours. So that's really good. Really nice type of a product. Let's get this thing here opened. So here's the straw that we have for it, obviously, and here we also have the cup. This is how it looks. We have everything. We have the branding, we have this foil, we have the sticker all around which says the Flow State Quencher H2.0 tumbler. Capacity is 1 liter and 180 milliliters, so quite of a nice capacity. It's all metal, as you can tell. All metal, all nice. When we open this thing up, we reveal the insides with the manuals in here, of course. And yeah, it isolates the temperature quite nicely. Oh, I dropped this. Okay, and besides this, we also have a lot of different shoes that we have to unbox. So let's start over with this one. I don't know why, but they actually use this adhesive tape to just glue them in, maybe to just make sure that the package is shipped securely and it won't have any problems with just arriving. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is how it goes. So let's open this thing up, and as you can see, here we have the Adidas Sambas. Oh, this is the model that I really like. I ordered a couple of them in the past, and I will order more of them because they are so nice, so comfy, and my whole family literally just loves them. So yeah, we have the Adidas Sambas. They are actually made from real leather. It's not like a fake leather, it's the real leather. Everything looks to be okay with them. I see no problems whatsoever. And just take a look at the shoe sole, it looks nice. It also comes with this foil. And yeah, here also we have the second one, the second pair. So just like this, you can see we have the Adidas Sambas in the size 6 US. Besides this, we obviously have more shoes. As you can see here, these are also the Adidas Sambas vegan, but in a bigger size, in size 8.5 US. And just like this, we obviously have the shoes. This is how it all looks like. Take a look at them. They're nice, they're made out of the leather, so the quality is just amazing. No complaints about that. Adidas. And you can see that the shoe sole is just coming off a little bit, so you have to just put this thing back in there. Maybe they just took this thing out. They look so nice, so good, in a size 8.5 US. Now let's take a look at the next shoes we have here. They are a little bit different. They are not the Adidas Sambas, but Campus instead. So here we have it, guys, the Adidas Campus. Let's take a look at this. As you can see, the box is a little bit crooked, and we have the Chinese signatures right over here. But it's just a sticker, we can just take this thing off. And just take a look at those beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous sneakers. So as I told you, these are the Adidas Campus, and oh my god, I've got to tell you, like, these ones are in a perfect color. I think girls will actually love it. They look so gentle, so nice. On the back of the shoe you also have the Adidas logo right over here. There's the QR code in here, and the size, it's the size US 6 as well. They look so comfy, so nice, so cute. Most importantly, they are so cute. And here obviously the next pair, with this pair shoelaces in the white color. They look just fantastic, I love them. And lastly we have also the Adidas Campus. This time in the regular black color. This is the size US 7, so they look nice, they look comfy. The same shoe sole as on previous model. This one is just a different color basically, the black one. And yeah, they also look nice, they also look comfy, and they look cool, bro. Take a look at the description, you will find many links to CNFans, the spreadsheets and everything. So yeah, be sure to just check this whole thing out, don't miss on anything. And yeah, so folks, that puts us to the end of this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section, I will answer you for sure. And yeah, we unboxed a nice package, really nice package. If you want to buy something like this for your own experience, a very high quality items for a really attractive price, be sure to just check out the description, and I'll put the link down in the description to CNFans. And yeah, be free to just order yourself some nice items from China for a really attractive price. And see you in the next video. Bye.